how can data-driven governance include emotional needs? Because you said sympathy, right?
So when we are talking about empathy, it also brings that's where we bring in the element of emotional intelligence, right? When we bring in the emotional intelligence aspects, we humanize the data. So it is humanization of data, where we turn the metrics, right, which are basically, if I were to call it that way, with no hard feelings, cold numbers into stories about what the people, the stakeholders, whatever we mean here. We bring in the experiences of all those stakeholders, right? We can also include the sentimental analysis of all the stakeholders, right? So that we bring in the quantitative feedback as part of our governance dashboards, right? So the emotions actually, with data driven emotions, fosters the empathy, making the decision making, and then it also starts organization culture and involves a lot of stakeholder trust. When we talk about the performance metrics, bringing in the empathy, the moment we bring in the empathy, the purpose gets embedded, right? The purpose gets embedded into the various KPI. So and then we bring in two other important elements: values and vision, right? So these are all, we align all of these as part of the value and vision of the organization. And these becomes as important as the numbers what we report as part of our metrics, right? And then it also aligns the employees and leaders with the mission, so that we have the broader vision and values. Then we get into the overall element of organization mission, boosting all possible, increasing the overall engagement levels of the employees and all other stakeholders, right? And by doing all of these, we can actually create something called purpose performance index to quantify the purpose driven outcomes alongside the financial outcomes, whatever we may report on a quarterly basis, right? So the net outcome what we may have is a enhanced organization resilience, and it will also, trust me, it will also reduce the burnout and short termism of the entire stakeholder.